Hello, crypto enthusiast and crypto investor. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Sonic, with a new unlocking power of institutional grade investing with this platform. Nevertheless, are you looking for a secure and reliable way to grow your cash and crypto asset? Look no further. Nevertheless, Plateform is designed to providing institutional grade investing capabilities to individuals, allowing you to buy, trade, and earn on your asset with ease. In this video, I will cover each and every information. If you are new on my YouTube channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So I will provide link all in video description. But you can also buy the memes trade 480 plus cryptos for the free on this project. There you can also check out that they are also verified. Here you can check out each and every information 300 million plus. Here is also ban code Spania. Here is also excellent trust palette. All this trading volume can be checked out. You can also check this platform is going to offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies including the popular memes coin with zero trading fee. You can buy sell your favorite cryptos without worry or high fees eating into the profit. You can earn up to 7.78% AER on saving. This platform is going to offering a high yield saving account that aims and that is also going to earn you up to 7.78% annual equivalent rate on your cash and crypto asset. This means that you can earn a significant return on your saving without having to take on the excessive risk. You can invest your hedge fund with 11.32% AER strategies. This platform is going to providing 6x higher than your highest easy earn of banks, means 2.88 AER. Nevertheless, is going to providing a best income. This platform is going to providing access to institutional grade investment strategies previously unavailable to hedge fund and high net worth individuals. These strategies have been potential to earn up to 11.32 AER, giving you opportunity to grow your wealth like a professional investor. This platform is going to providing a simple features like here you can also check out the first thing that you can do on it is to check the low risk broad. Next, withdrawal anytime you can take your fund back. Here is the interest paid and automatic compound, no minimum maximum limit. You can check out the payout in the simple principle. So this is the way you can choose what you want. And next you can also click on them to check out that further details how they works. Look no further is also a benefit for you. This platform where you can just sign up, create account, deposit the fund and buy trade cryptos including memes coin with zero trading fee. There is also life changing opportunity where you can earn the AER. An investment in institutional grade strategies is also highest profit. You can take all these benefit by getting the withdrawal anytime, no minimal investment and daily accrued profit. So all of these is going, don't miss out the opportunity to grow your cash and crypto asset on the institutional grade platform. Sign up now today and start investing like a pro. For the start trading and investment, you can come on to this interface where you can also give that there is also your pocket has the fund 11.32%, as I have already shown to you that they will be reserved to 1%, but now this is the right time to get into it. If you want to get the access, then there is also a next step. You want to get step, here you can download the application successfully. If you come on to the next step, that is going to providing a best event for you, and there is also what's in it for you, exceptional return that you can take by joining this platform to earn 11.32%. There is daily compounding, means your return on investment there is no minimum like there is no minimum limit or nor there you can take withdrawal at any time. There is also no restriction. But wait, how all of this is going to be possible? You can check out a complete story behind it, and this is the proof of bidding, where you can get that how AER is going to increase in which month you can check out. So there is exploring the strategies that has been made by their team, as well as there is also a best option to start trading in 400 plus cryptocurrencies with 0% taxes. What you want, this is a big thing that for you. And in this step different, you can also check out how to start trade, how to get more cryptos, more money. Nevertheless is also on the 0.00731 Bitcoin. Once you will get the profit, as well as interesting by the default. So here you can check out there is 480 plus cryptocurrencies are also available. If you want to come to know about the pricing, then we have to click on it. It's not is a beautiful where you can buy sell crypto successfully. There you can also check out how much percentage will be transferred as there after 1%, and there is also some blockchain based details. So I hope you have cleared how you can get the application. You can scan this code, and you can also follow them on their social media link too, where each and everything about the crypto will be shared, and you can download their application to get a complete information about Nevertheless app. If you want to know more details about their crypto, and join them on Discord server too, and download their applications also. So I hope you have cleared how all of this function is going to be completed, and get work on it for your future income and life changing opportunity. Don't miss out this one. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care.